What if I told you that the person you've been trying to become already exists? That the broken pieces you've been trying to fix were never broken at all? You are not a problem to be solved. You are a miracle, pretending to be incomplete. From the moment we are born, the world whispers in our ear, "You must improve, you must achieve, you must become something." We learn to measure our worth in grades, in salaries, in followers, and in the approval of others. And so begins the endless project called fixing myself. We decorate our lives with goals, we patch our cracks with self-help, and we believe that happiness is waiting for us at the end of some imaginary road. But here's the cosmic joke. There is no road. There is no finished version of you waiting somewhere in the distance. The only you that exists is the one here, breathing, right now. And this you is already enough. Look at the trees. They do not try to become better trees. The ocean does not try to be more ocean. A flower doesn't say, "I will be beautiful when my petals are perfect." It simply unfolds. You, too, are unfolding, not toward perfection, but as an expression of the universe itself. The idea that you must fix yourself is just another story the mind tells. But the mind is a restless artist. It loves to draw flaws where none exist. It convinces you that peace is something you must chase, not realizing that the act of chasing is the very thing that hides it. You have spent years running toward a version of yourself that is nothing more than a shadow, a moving target made from comparisons, from the expectations of parents, teachers, and strangers on the internet. But listen, when you stop running, when you stop trying to polish what is already whole, you begin to see the truth. You were never meant to be a work in progress. You are the work of art itself. The cracks you hide are the places where the light gets in. The flaws you curse are the fingerprints of the divine. And the self you've been trying to improve is already the exact self that life needs you to be.